Chicago, let's shoot an SVR. Look, an SVR right there. Oh my God. It's for Cook County, Illinois. Oh my goodness.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central
They issued a special rain warning.
Illinois until 3:15 p.m.
Even the city of Chicago's under it.
2:48 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Stepney or over Midway Airport, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard.
Oh my God, the storms are crazy.
Gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chicago, Cicero, West Town, Austin, South Lawndale.
It just said Austin, just like in Texas.
Bridgeport, Englewood, Chicago Loop, and Northerly Island around 2:55 p.m. Navy Pier near North Side and Hyde Park around 3 p.m. Lincoln Park around 3:05
Oh, it's strengthening
p.m.
the storm.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include West Lawn, West Englewood, North Center, Greater Grand Crossing, West Garfield Park,
I didn't make a live
West
stream.
Elston, Avondale, North Lawndale, and Lower West Side. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.